Let's face it, free is everyone's favorite price tag. When launching a chatbot, starting with a free plan feels like an absolute no-brainer. But here's the hidden trap. A free chatbot that hits its limit mid-month isn't saving money. It is actively costing sales. When a hot lead lands on a site at 2 a.m., ready to buy, and gets met with total silence because a monthly message cap was breached, that user doesn't wait around. They click away. Today, the fluff is stripped away to look at the cold, hard numbers. This is the exact blueprint to determine if the ChatFlow free plan is plenty for now, or if staying on it is the silent killer of your conversion rates. To understand how to avoid that revenue trap, let's first look at what the ChatFlow free tier actually handles. To be completely fair, this tier is incredibly powerful. It isn't just a basic trial, it's a fully functional launchpad. For early-stage brands getting under 1,000 visitors a month, the free tier handles the basics perfectly. It covers standard FAQ automation, simple lead capture forms, and basic chat routing. If the goal is simply to answer, "Where is my order?" or "What is your return policy?" without paying a dime, the free tier has you covered. However, while this works perfectly at the starting line, a business cannot stay in launch mode forever. As traffic scales, a basic FAQ bot quickly turns into a customer service bottleneck, and that bottleneck is exactly how the system signals it's time for a change. In fact, there are 3 clear tipping points that prove a brand has outgrown the free tier. First, the volume wall. If monthly message limits are being wiped out in the first 2 weeks, the bot is dead weight for the rest of the month. Closely following that is second, the context crash. Free bots treat every visitor the same. If a return visitor and a first-time high-intent shopper get the exact same generic greeting, revenue is being left on the table. And finally, this leads to third, the integration gap. If customer data has to be manually copied from the chat history into a CRM or Shopify, hours of manual labor are being wasted every single week. Instead of draining time on manual tasks, crossing over these tipping points is where the real growth begins. Because stepping up to ChatFlow Paid unlocks the actual conversion engine. This is where the bot shifts from a passive helper to an active sales closer. Inside the premium dashboard, the limits disappear, but the real game changer is proactive triggers. Instead of waiting for a user to type a question, ChatFlow detects when a buyer is stalling on the checkout page with a high-value cart. It automatically pops up with a personalized discount or answers a friction point right before they abandon. When combined with advanced AI memory that remembers past customer interactions, seamless CRM syncing, and smart multi-agent routing, the bot essentially becomes a top-tier sales rep that never takes a day off. Ultimately, the shift from a basic tool to a premium sales engine comes down to real-world results. For example, across thousands of active accounts, stores migrating from the free tier to a paid ChatFlow plan see an average 27% reduction in support tickets and a 14% lift in direct checkout conversions within the first 30 days. The data shows it pays for itself. So, what is the best move right now? If the store is just starting out, keep rocking the free plan. It is built to help businesses grow. But if traffic is climbing and leads are slipping through the cracks, it is time to turn on the full engine. Head over to chatflow.co right now to see the full side-by-side feature matrix, or log into the dashboard to unlock a premium tier setup today. Don't let your revenue stay on pause. Go to chatflow.co, upgrade your setup, and let the automation do the heavy lifting.